Okay guys, so BLOXD made a new update. Firecracker Pebbles and Autumn Aspen Trees. Finally, but there's also 2 new game modes coming soon. This one looks like it's natural disaster survival, and then this one mini games. I'm not sure, but they're coming in 4 days. So we better be prepared for these 2 new games. I can't wait. But right now, we're just gonna find these. Okay, I'm just gonna join something. I'm just gonna quick play creative to find it. Bro, I hate ads. They're actually annoying. Okay, we need to find the autumn forest. But right now, let's see the firecracker pebbles. What the? Oh! Okay, I see. Okay, so the autumn forests are kind of rare, so it's gonna be super hard to find. I wish they can make it their own sapling. But this is what the leaves look like. Then the maple leaves. I can't find the autumn forest, but I found tons of them. I'll try and find the lobby where I found it, and I'm still on it. I think it was. I'm just gonna join a round on one. Oh, what the? I'm in the jungle. Well, I know it's not this one. I have so many lobbies, bro. I'm just joining random ones. No, this is a flat one. Okay, these were all my younger self. Don't ask. Yeah, ads, they're super annoying. We don't like ads. No one does. And it just exited me out because of that. Yeah, these are these are going to be hard to find. But in the meantime, while I find it, I wonder what the two new games are. I bet you it might be natural disaster survival and minigames. If you don't know what those are, they are game modes that were only in staging BLOXD.io until they got deleted. Ruins. Bruh, I can't even find this autumn forest. How come they're so rare for me now? Whatever. Whoa, it looks like that there's an autumn firm now. That's new. I'm just going to make a part 2 because I can't find any autumn forests. But make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to me, please. It'll help me a lot or something, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, I'll make a part 2 when I found an autumn forest. But yeah, that's it. Bye.